What's up, good people? In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your online status for both Facebook and Messenger. Let's start with Messenger. Click on the Messenger icon from your Facebook. Now click on this buzz here. Okay, now click on the gear icon. Okay, just click on active status, then just toggle it off like that. Then okay, you can turn it off for 1 hour, 8 hours, or until 8:00 a.m. or you can customize it. You can choose a date when you want to be online. Let's say on 10th. Okay, that will be okay. Then save it. Okay, now go back to Facebook. Go back to Facebook. Click on your profile picture. Now click on the gear icon once again. Scroll down. Then click on active status. Toggle it off to turn it off like that, and you are good to go. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.